Welcome back to the Cannabis Sommelier. I'm your host, Andrew Freedman. Thanks for joining me for another episode of Cocktailing with Cannabis. Today, we're going to make an infused Candy Cane Martini. So, let's find out how we make it, because there's really no story about it. First thing we need to do is put a little bit of simple syrup, infused simple syrup, on a plate. This is how we're going to have our infused rim, and we're going to create a microdose out of this. So we'll take our infused simple syrup on a plate and just rim your martini glass. Easy there. Put that to the side, and then you'll take a nice finely ground candy cane and just get the rim on. And remember to get this nice and finely ground, because the big chunks don't work. You can just put it in a bag and whack it with your bartending spoon. Works very easy. Perfect. Doesn't that look beautiful already? Infused rim. Wonderful. So, in our mixing glass, we are going to take 1 1/4 ounce of peppermint schnapps. We're going to take 1 ounce of white chocolate liqueur. We're going to take 0.75 of vodka. And we're going to take 0.75 of half and half. I use 2% and heavy cream. Put it on ice. And every cocktail needs a good shake. A nice shake until you see the condensation. Bring our glass back to the center. Strainer, fine mesh strainer. We just don't want those ice flecks in there, but I'd really like all this nice froth. Perfect. And that's how we make a candy cane martini. Infused with an infused simple syrup rim. So I hope you'll try this Christmas cocktail favorite. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And until next week, cheers.